Hey guys, here is a 56-inch Hunter Greenwich ceiling fan from the 9th week of 2009. These fans were sold at Home Depot in the 2000s, and I believe they were discontinued around 2010, right about when Hunter started to go downhill. And this is actually a very good fan for what it is. For a 56-inch spinner motor fan, this thing really does perform. I think my great aunt has one of these in her living room. From what I can remember, it is still there. And I remember that fan performing very well, and that one was flush mounted. But this one came on I believe it's a 1-foot down rod. And just turned up at Habitat, and I figured why not, because, I tried out a new Habitat today, a little bit farther away from my local one. And I found 3 really cool fans there, and this was one of them. It's a little bit tattered up. The blades have some dings on them. You can probably see it. The other side's actually a lot worse, but I'll try to get them out as best as I can. It came with everything actually. I think it's only missing one of the canopy screws. It came with the 4 rubber feet for the mounting bracket. It came with everything, so I was quite shocked about that. But anyway, I'll try it out. I've moved the camera again. This camera never stays where it is. Okay, that's good enough. There's low. Has a slight hum due to being mounted the way it is. The metal is touching the electrical box metal, so that's kind of why it's humming. Yeah, these are very popular fans. I remember these not even at my aunt's house. I remember seeing them in other places too. They're interesting too. You don't see these too often now anymore. They were kind of just that 2000s era style that lasted for so long. That's a really nice low speed though. That's about low. Just medium. Some of the blades are a little bit out of alignment, so it's going to wobble just a little bit. I've always wanted one of these too. I've been looking on Facebook for them all the time, but they're either too expensive or they get scooped up so quickly. That's it for that. There's high speed. I did have to put some WD-40 in that pull chain because it was very rough when I got it, but it smoothed out. You can see it's really going on high. You can feel the air from very far away as well. Excuse me. Has an interesting finish too. I'm not sure what it is, but it's pretty cool. top sides. Yeah, you can't see it, of course, but it's a lot more beat up than the bottom side is. See the finish a lot better with the light. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.